Hey there, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can unlock your iPhone 11 or 11 Pro or 11 Pro Max from any carrier so that you can use it with any carrier that you wish to use it with. All right, let's go. Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how you can unlock your iPhone. It could be from any carrier, Sprint, AT&T, T-Mobile, any other carrier as well. And you may want to use it with a different carrier and you're getting a SIM not supported message. So in this video, I'm going to show you the only working method right now so that you can unlock your iPhone 11 to use it with any carrier that you want to use it on. I'm going to have links down below in the description of this video to the unlock chip that we're going to be using in this video. Alright, so let's go. Alright, so let's get right into it. So here we have a iPhone 11. This is going to work with any iPhone pretty much. The only thing you need to make sure is that you do have it updated to the latest iOS. And right now that is 13.3. So make sure that you go into the settings, go to general, software update, and make sure that you have it up to date. Once you have that, go ahead and connect to Wi-Fi. You are going to have to be connected to internet, so make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi. And I'm going to show you really quickly before we go ahead and unlock it, what happens when you insert a SIM card that is from another carrier. So this iPhone right now is currently locked to a different carrier and will not work with T-Mobile. As you can see, this is a T-Mobile SIM card that I am going to insert, and right away it takes us to this activation required screen. We're going to go ahead and follow the prompts here, and we are going to get this message that says SIM not supported. Although it is reading signal up here, it's reading the SIM card, it's not going to let us activate it because it is locked. So it's going to continue saying SIM not supported. So that's where the unlock method comes in. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove that SIM card that doesn't work right now, place it down. We're going to be unlocking it with this special unlock chip. It's going to be linked down below in the description of this video. And the thing about these unlock chips is that there's a bunch of them out there. They all look pretty much the same, but a lot of them aren't working right now since Apple has updated their iOS and has patched the unlocking. So a lot of them don't work. Most of them, actually, I'll say, don't work properly. So you have to make sure you get the right one. And this is the one that does work at the moment, and we have it linked down below in the description. So what we're going to do is we're going to place the SIM card back in. So the same T-Mobile SIM card, place it back in the SIM card tray, and we're going to place the unlock chip right above it. We're going to place it carefully like this. We're going to place it just slightly downwards because since it is kind of hanging on top of the SIM card, we're going to have to place it in carefully so that the phone reads it. So we're going to place it in gently. Okay, and like I said, make sure that the black unlock chip is going in a little bit ahead of the SIM card like that, and then go ahead and completely push it in. If you pushed it in correctly, if you inserted the SIM card correctly, it will read it and it will go back to the activation screen. As you can see, I didn't install it correctly, so it says no SIM. So we are going to retry that. Just push it out, and then like I said, once again, push the black unlock chip in first like that, and then push the rest of the SIM card in. And now it's reading it. Now it says no service, so we're good now. Just give it a couple seconds, and this right here is gonna pop up. So here we are going to select ICC ID MNC, and then here we're going to select ICC ID MNC manual. Once you have that selected, make sure that the right ICC ID is typed in. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the correct ICC ID, which right now is 8901-4104-2702-2598-7873. Once you have that typed in correctly, hit send. It's going to say okay. Go ahead and select accept, and you will be back at the home screen. And as you can see, it is trying to pick up signal up here, so let's give it a second. Once we're at the home screen, we will have to go to settings. We're going to find cellular. We're going to go to cellular data options and make sure that enable LTE and that data roaming is on. Then we're going to go back to network selection. We're going to disable automatic, and we're going to select the carrier that we want to use. So since I have a T-Mobile actual SIM card in here. It's reading it down here at the bottom. So I'm going to select T-Mobile. And then once you do that, go ahead and select cellular to go back. And then go ahead and select SIM application and hit reactivate. And it's going to give you that message, signal up required. And then it's going to take us back to the activation screen. And then here we're just going to have to wait a few seconds. As you can see, it's already picking up the signal up there. Go ahead and hit continue. Okay, we're going to give it a few seconds for it to reactivate with the unlock chip and the SIM card, and it will activate completely. Even though it says SIM not supported, don't worry. Just give it a couple more seconds for it to read it completely. And there we go. Like I mentioned, just give it a couple more seconds and it's going to completely activate by itself. As you can see, it's reading the SIM card now. T-Mobile up here. And it is completely working now. Data, talk, text, and data, everything will work completely normal. Let's go ahead and disable Wi-Fi so that you can see it has picked up the LTE signal, as you can see up here. And your iPhone 11 is now unlocked to use it with whatever SIM card you want to use it on. All right, so there you go. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a like, please. It really helps me out a lot. And that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. And as always, peace.